Oh. Crashed.
Oh, it's Jeff.
Ooh, ooh. Wow, a new creature. A large guppy.
A guppy?
Yeah.
It's like that show, the Bubble Guppies.
Oh, bubble guppies.
I tried to fuck with the trash can and I think my game crashed. I don't know how that goes.
I know where the rest of my money's going.
Yeah.
Gosh. You see how dilated my eyes are?
Hey.
How tiny you are.
Yeah. So, you wanna come fish?
Yeah, we go.
Oh, hold on. We gotta go to this other guy's having fun over here.
Gambling. Hey, you wanna buy my fish for $59? Little gnome freak.
Shut
Hey,
up.
Colby, my game crashed again. I'm not touching anything. in
It's
hopes of
100
getting
megs. It's
I don't know what's
nothing.
wrong.
Oh, what'd you win? How much did you win?
Oh, whoa, I'm back.
You're back?
Yep.
You can see our name over here? Come on. The blue mushroom will launch you. Be careful. Don't step on it.
okay.
It may kill you. Get up.
Oh, rat.
Go.
Game
Come on, buddy.
Oh, $50. Up to 10,000.
I caught a seahorse. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Fishing with the boys.
I got a branch.
A branch?
Oh.
Whoa!
Nice going.
The fucking size of that thing.
Money!
He's already addicted to gambling.
How much you want for this, dude? $57, man, you rat, you motherfucker. Hey, you know what I want. Give me those scratch offs.
Been here for a total of 10 minutes and he's already addicted to the
even.
Whoa,
scratch
$10,
card.
dude, $10 fucking dollars. Go. $200! Whoa! We're rolling, Kobe, we're rolling. We in it, baby, we in it.
I caught a huge oyster.
Yo, an oyster.
Another
I
$25.
know.
Kobe, every single scratch off ticket I got right there, I just got my money back, dude. Let's go. Luck build, baby. Oh, there all my money. We got $8. I'm coming back, guys. Hello.
Hey, welcome back. Oh, it's a small wolfish.
Hell yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh
Whatever
my
this
God.
is, it's 2-star.
Oh! Kobe!
Come on.
He just caught a fucking marlin.
Bro, I'm dealing with my own beast right now.
I swear to God, he's gonna pull out a whale.
Yeah!
Whoa!
Oh, it's a sunfish!
It's a glistening large sunfish.
That useless foot. You
How do I
can
look
take a
at-
bite out of him and put him back in the water.
How do I show off my fish?
Tab, go to creatures, and I think you can pull it out. You
How do I
can
pull
whip
it
it out.
Whip out your fish, dog.
Alright, you've been doing kitty gambling. I'm going off of the $75 ticket right now.
You just wait, buddy, and you just wait until I unlock those tickets.
Yeah, whatever you say, buddy.
Austin comes over here. Now my fish ain't biting no more.
I guess it's my fault.
Yellow almond.
Oh!
This is
I didn't win a
bullshit.
damn thing.
Holy shit! What the hell is this?
Increase your camp tier. What's camp tier?
Justin?
Camp tier is, you come to the frog guy and you can get your...
Come on, get it, Austin, get it, Austin,
I'm
get it,
trying.
Austin, get it, Austin. Come on, come on,
Ah!
come on.
Aw.
Woo! What is that?
That was like 35. It's a massive wolffish. A true alpha.
He drowned. Go away. That little guy almost drowned as well.
Nah, dude, I'm fine. Whoa, a stingray.
That's what killed
I
Steve
got a
Irwin.
plastic bag.
That's also what
What's
killed
this?
Steve. No, it
Hey,
wasn't.
Justin, watch this. Bam. Hey, buddy, you didn't catch any fish? You're useless.
Just watch Colby verbally berate his fishing buddy.
Yo, I'm gonna be doping. I hope you don't mind.
Fisherman steroids.
Oh!
I got another fucking marlin!
Oh my god! I hadn't even noticed he was up there. Oh, sure.
What was that?
I got a huge grouper. Colby got a fucking. You put that back right now.
Nope.
It's
What'd he
mine.
catch?
He got a turtle. I caught a huge angelfish. You ever think?
Oh!
I was gonna kill myself, but alright.
I think he's going for it.
Ow.
I almost had it. Come on, try it again. Almost.
Ooh, he's close.
He's like bashing his face into the rock.
That looked like it hurt.
Come on, let me do it.
Go get that drink from the spawn.
I ain't got no more money.
Oh. Yo, what was
I
that?
caught a
Tuna? What is that?
tuna.
Nice. My dope's about to run out.
We gotta do it. We gotta spit. We gotta get speed by spitting.
Hey, you gotta save that double jump.
See, it's not really a double jump. He just lunges forward like.
It gives you a very small distance. He's
Another
getting less.
angelfish.
Oh! See that slide he did there? He really tried.
I believe in him.
Oh fuck. Oh wait, on a fish. Fish on the line.
On
Holy
the
shit! What the
fish.
fuck?
On the fish.
Holy shit! So much I gotta press. I got it. Oh, what is this? A shining large
A
flower.
diamond?
What?
Shine it is your life.
And he drowned, and I take that diamond out of his cold dead hands.